Herbs used to fight cancer. Herbs have been used for centuries to combat a variety of illnesses and are still used for cancer-like illnesses that are still incurable. As you all know, there are many herbs that are very helpful to us against very serious illnesses. Many of these have been studied by scientists and have proven effective in many cases. When starting a herbal-based natural remedy, the natural remedy must be done in parallel with the conventional treatment without stopping the current medical treatment. Get permission from your doctor before starting natural remedies, as they may interact with your current medicines and you may not be allowed to take them. Following are some of the most commonly used herbs: Coneflower genus, green tea, ginger, perforate St. John worts. Make and drink herbal tincture at home. These herbs can be purchased in creams and ointments for topical use, as well as in capsules or tablets. Types of herbs recommended for cancer. Turmeric, known for its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, useful for treating colon cancer. Coneflower genus, a very nice herb that boosts the autoimmune system and is used to prevent and treat cold. Mugwort, an antimicrobiotic antifungal herb used in leukemia patients. This plant is also very helpful in suppressing cancer cell growth in leukemia patients. Barberry, these species called barberry have been shown to be very powerful in treating cancer, especially ovarian cancer. Shrub oak, it is used for treatment to boost immunity. It also prevents metastasis by reducing the size of the tumor. Do not forget, combined with conventional treatments, it helps to improve and reduce any type of cancer. Many of these herbs also help control the stress of cancer, and the use of common alternative therapies improve overall health. This also means that it has a psychological effect. Listen to recommended therapies and other advice when preventing or treating your illness. It is very important to know how to stay healthy and get closer to a healthy state.